Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace door handle on Buick Lacrosse, only way. First, gather your tools: Phillips, flat pry, 7mm socket, trim tool, replacement handle, rag, and gloves. Remove the interior door panel by prying trim carefully and unfastening screws. Keep screws organized and note clip locations. Detach the lock rod and electrical connectors gently. Unscrew the old handle, install the new handle, reconnect everything, test operation, then reassemble the door panel securely. Now we'll remove the door panel so you can access the handle mechanism. Begin by taking out all visible screws from the armrest area and door pull, then use a flat pry tool to work the trim away from the bottom edge to release clips. Lift the panel up and off the window ledge carefully. Disconnect any electrical plugs and the courtesy light connector, and set the panel aside on a soft surface to protect it while you work on the handle assembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you work and consider the Owala water bottle I used here. It keeps water handy during long projects and fits in most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel out of the way, focus on the handle hardware and linkage. Remove the mounting bolts or screws holding the handle and carefully free the lock rod from its clip while noting its orientation. Detach any connectors, then remove the old handle. Fit the new handle, reconnect the lock rod and electrical plugs, and tighten fasteners snugly. Test the handle and lock operations several times to confirm smooth action before reattaching the interior panel and screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.